these little baskets have become one of my favorite items for organization around the house, especially because there's so many things you can do with them, and you can have them on site and they're gonna look very nice, or you can have them inside of your closet, etc. In this case, I ordered this ones to have all my hair supplies and my face supplies organized, so I can put them inside of the closet and grab them and have easy access to all the products that are going to be organized by face, hair, etc. But you can organize things for the kids over here, the toys, or if you want to do some clothes as well. It comes with instructions over here on how to set it up. So it says step 1, stuff the basket, wait 1 or 2 days, and then you can even steam it with the basket filled with stuffing, so that way it has the total shape, and then the basket comes back to its original shape. They come in different designs. I chose this one that I believe is the oatmeal, so I'll show you. Look at this, look at how nice. The material is very good, so it looks very classy and high quality, which I completely love. And over here are all the instructions on how to take care of them. They come with this, and then you can start stuffing them right away. So it's a set of 3. They have, in this case, they have the same size, but look at this. So you can start stuffing. Also, what I'm planning on doing on this ones is just, like I said, organize my hair stuff, but I also like to utilize kind of like this to put it over here, and I can just write down over here what am I gonna put there or organize, and that way I can see quickly what's inside of each basket. So I am very excited for this ones, and 3 of them. So keeping things organized, it's much more simply or easier when you have this kind of things at home. So now I'm just gonna fill them up, let them rest like the instructions say, and that's it.